How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you guys an option that you can use for your marketing. So I have a few places where I make my systems, but I'm realizing a lot of people aren't tech savvy, and they need everything in one place as far as their system, their email follow-up. A lot of people don't have an email system. And even with this software, you're going to be able to create posts, have AI, all that stuff in one, and it's the Nowsite platform. So I'm just pretty much going to be showing you guys a little bit of how I'm using it. When you onboard and get started, you're gonna have your own AI. It's gonna be called Train My AI, and it's gonna pretty much know about you, what you like, your business, what type of posts you want to post, and it's gonna curate stuff around that. And it's gonna even be able to curate responses. So, for example, when you wake up in the morning, you want to engage on your Facebook. You want to engage, comment to help the algorithm pick you up. So we're gonna do that right now. You're going to be able to do other stuff. So this is the process. You want to post on social media, but before that, you want to engage and do some reach out. So we're going to click number 2, and we're going to come to Facebook, scroll and see some posts we might like. So let's just keep scrolling. Okay, I can't copy. You want to post that you pretty much can copy the words. So let's just let's see, for example, right here we have one. So we're going to copy this, comment on a social post. I'm going to post it right here, and so you can actually tell it what you want it to respond, or we'll just do generate for this example. You can kind of tell AI like what kind of response you want. So right here we can just use this one. We can click copy, and we can just come here, keep scrolling down, so we can actually copy and paste these ones. You want to kind of do this for about 25 minutes. You want to come, make sure you actually like them as well, so you can come and like some ones you want to like. I'm just skipping through them, and this is just going to speed. So sometimes if you have a point where you're just like, I don't know what to post, or I just don't feel like doing it, this is a way for you to curate stuff really quick. So absolutely, moms are incredible and have so much potential. Let's believe in ourselves. Amazing things. Let's go read the post. Just make sure you read the post again, so you can just make sure. And you can do this for a while. This is actually more than my posts. So we can even, let's just go take my posts that I actually used AI with. I made the picture myself with AI, but in the software I used it for making the caption. So we can take my post, and remember, you can always tell it what you want it to, like what you want the comment to be about. But right now I'm just making it quick. So actually I can use this and see who commented on my post. Let's just see how many comments I have. Let's just use this one. Just comment that, and say we want to post something. Let's do say you want to have an image suggested as well. So you can come here. Let's do inspire, and it's actually going to be synced up with your businesses. So it's a whole bunch of stuff you have on the onboarding process. You can have it related to your business. Keep it professional, and you can just write what it's about. So, and actually, let's see if I can actually right click. I can't right click it, but if you really wanted like a post that maybe you didn't know what you want, you can actually go to AI, and I'll show you after this, and you can actually make it come up with a post or like a post idea, and then put that post idea here, and then it AI would generate a specific post. So right here, let's just think of something quick. I want to inspire people that may feel like quitting. I might just put this on my business page. So it's going to take a little bit. So most of your social media, like 90%, let's just say, let's say 70% of your social media can be, used with this part of AI. You can have your posts, your engagement, even stories. You can always change these images. So let's see what it curated. Feeling like giving up. Don't remember, success is not a straight line. It's full of ups and downs, but every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Keep pushing forward, stay focused, and never lose hope. So perfect picture. I might just post it on my regular page. We'll see. So you can save. Let's just save it to downloads or desktop. Let's just put a demo. Just put demo so I know it's this picture. And let's just act like we're going to post it. So it's going to take me to Facebook. So let me see. Let me make sure. I think it already has it copy and pasted. So let's just do a demo. So let's just see. It's already copy and pasted. And if you guys know how your computer works, here's the picture. So I can just drag it right in. And it's already here. And then I can just add something like maybe share with a friend. And if you want to make it even, more, do even more, what I'll do is use something like Midjourney, which I'll be showing you guys something like Midjourney and making a way better picture or something, maybe a better background, which this is a nice picture, and maybe putting it in Canva. But that's a little, more. So we'll post it, and now we have a social media post. I would have engaged a little bit more so like I can get more shown, and then I would have made this post for the morning. And if you guys know, if you're on Facebook, you have an option you can do at follower. See if it pops up. You can do this once a day, and this will at most of your followers and say that you post. And then there's another section called at highlight, and it depends on what kind of page you're on. If you're on a business page, it might be different. Let me see if it might not pop up right here, but some pages have at highlight, so you can kind of like highlight that post you made again. So remember that. And just so you know, let's see if we can do it with that highlight. So it for you to know that it's actually the right one, it'll show like a description, show a little bit right here. Like some friends might see this notification, so you're not clicking like one of these. You'll know this is the actual one. So I might let's add followers right now, just because I already posted today, just so this can maybe get shown a little better. Sometimes it's a little buggy, so just. And then there's your post for now. So, and like I said, you can come here and do captions for images, caption your video. I don't know if it lets you upload the video or not. So you can just tell it what it is. You can use, say, surprise me, a whole bunch of stuff, guys. And then, as you start learning what works, you'll start making your captions a little bit better. So what I was saying for the AI, so say, for example, you don't know what you want your post to be about. You can come here. I don't know if you guys have ever used AI before, so you can come here with Nowsite. And like right here, I said, write a motivational post for my students. You see, it wrote a motivational post. I said, make it shorter. I'm sending it as a message, so it made it shorter. And I'm actually going to send this to my group right now. So you can come here and say what kind of post, write me a certain post, just read it. And you got to start learning how to talk to AI. So if he says something that's a little like scammy, you could say, hey, this is a little scammy. Can you make it a little more intelligent or something like that, whatever words you use, and just keep going, and it'll keep adjusting. And you can do this with anything, and you can take that and then put it into that section, and have it create a post. So you can use AI and put it in another one. So that's that as far as AI. So if you want this specific product alone, this is all you want. It's on sale right now. It's a promo for $29.99. It's like 2 different packages. So I'll leave both links in the description for just the AI. It's like $29.99 a month. So it's very inexpensive right now. But there's another section too, Nowsite, which is the website. Where's the whole thing? Website, email, SMS is extra, social media. That's actually, they have ads. You can get domains and stuff in here. I have my own domain service that I use. That's simple. But you can do that in here. So let's actually go through the websites. The websites, I have all sorts of website builders, but this one is a little more simple to use because that's what I'm understanding. Like, me, I've been in marketing for 8 years. So I like, nice stuff, like, because I'm able to really, I'm savvy and I can, do whatever online, but some people can't do that. So some people need a builder like this where they can come here, click edit, drag and drop, or like, for example, say you want this website, I can just, curate a code and you can just download it onto your Now site and have this whole setup. So if you see it right here, this is my landing page. This is my landing page for through Nowsite. So, and this was made with AI. So it's simple, but it has some stuff that's nice that I like. So, some people, and then like I said, for someone that doesn't even know how to do this, I can just have them copy this website and they can change the picture. So it's very simple. It's just drag and drop, type of builder. So if you're someone who needs something like that for, duplication, I brought Nowsite back into the equation. So you can make unlimited websites. They have some AI stuff that can curate. Like it kind of curated some for me. Like it's not the best of websites, but it gives you a start. Like this was like for like one of my health and wellness. It's not done. This is just what they made for me. So I can come in here and kind of adjust it how I like it. So they have some AI stuff in there. So, but what's more important is you guys have like an email set up within the platform. So you don't have to go get an outside, email system. You can set it up in here. And I'll do more videos on this. Let's go to the social media side. They actually have posts you can, that, depending on what your business is, they have posts that you can, post on actual social media or your fan pages. I would use this more for like fan pages and post those posts on there, and, or have an unlimited amount of content you can post. So you don't have to just keep, wondering what to post. We have, like I said, this is a bonus there. So if you ever want to run some ads, like you want some traffic on your own, you can buy ads in the back office, analytics, CRM, and that's the marketing side. So if you want the marketing side as well, that's going to be all together. You can actually, it's a promo all together. You can have the marketing side, and you can have what I showed you for $49. I think it's $49.99. If you want to be affiliate, it's going to be $5 a month. So it's like around it's around like $50, $56 a month to have AI, to have the marketing system, and to be an affiliate. If you want to be affiliate, you don't have to be affiliate. So it's inexpensive. So around 56, you can have everything you need to run your business, AI to help you do the marketing side. And I'll be showing you a lot of stuff as well. And in the team I'm actually a part of, there's a lot of software as well back here. So we have a lot of stuff. Let's actually go and use. I have them blanked out because there's some codes, but if you see, there's a lot of software that you actually can use. So that is the software. I've done videos on this before. It's not my first time doing this, but I just added it back just so I can have duplication in my duplication with everyone that comes in, and they don't have to have this learning curve of setting everything up. So this is Nowsite. And just let me know if you have any questions. Everything will be in the description. I'll have the AI alone, and I'll have the everything that's packaged in the comment section as well. I have my domain service, which you need, your www to get started. And everything else is going to be in Nowsite. And I also have another product that I use on the front end, my #1 digital product, if you want that. So I literally have a setup on how to launch a side hustle right away. So you can have everything you need. And my digital product is as low as $20 a month. So it's all affordable. So around $100, you can really like have everything you need, everything you need. So I'll leave everything and make sure it's organized in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on so you're updated, because I have a lot of videos, I'm going to be putting up. So I hope you enjoy. Have a good one.